are based in Hong Kong, so you have a little bit of a bird's eye view here. And of course, with Bank of China, you're also involved in the asset management strategy and decisions. Which are some of the trends that are, really shaping this year from an investment perspective for you?
Yeah, definitely, yeah. For asset management, actually, we apply a lot of technology, helping our investment decision and also handling for the process as well. For us, handling for the investment process, basically, we divide it into 3 different functions: front office function, middle office function, and also back office function. For the front office function, basically, we need to handle for the research, portfolio management, and also for the trade execution as well. For the middle office function, we need to handle for the, let's say, performance contribution analysis, risk management, and also some of the client reporting. And the back office system need to handle for the all of the trade done, keep for the book record in the portfolio. So you can imagine different types of the function, different types of the division need to have a very solid, robust system supporting for all of the analysis. Yeah. For example, when we do for the investment portfolio management, the system need to handle for the SRR allocation, for the scenario analysis, something like that. Yeah. So you can imagine a lot of this type of technology we need to use. Yeah. So in 2024, basically back to the point, say, for this type of technology, actually we need to keep on going to upgrade, to enhance the functionality, etc., etc. Yeah. The other angle to talk about for the technology, I think, or the trend, I think is one important thing is in the, let's say, last 5 to 10 years, for the investors, more and more focusing for the ESG and also for the climate risk as well. Yeah. For us, we talk with a lot of the data providers in the past 2 and 3 years. Basically, we find they haven't been complete all of the technology to supporting this type of the management analysis. Yeah. But recently, we find the data provider, the ESG data provider, the carbon risk provider, they are more developed. So we can apply that technology, helping us as a portfolio manager. Let's say, for example, we can target some of the portfolio footprint in order to set the target how to reduce for the carbon footprint upcoming looking forward. So without this type of technology, without this type of the data supporting our decision, we cannot manage in this way. Yeah.
And of